Hello everyone, we are Robotics.
And I am Bryant.
I am Michaela Restal.
And I am Paunil.
We work with 3 basic components: an ultrasonic sensor for detecting distance, an LCD I2C module for displaying information, and a servo motor for controlled movement.
In this video, we'll share how each component works and how it works with other components as one system, even in a simple setup.
More importantly, we talk about what we have learned from this activity, what challenges us, what help us improve, what you can expect from the robotics system.
Let's begin by discussing the servo motor. A servo motor is a device used for precise movement. Its main components are the motor, control circuit, and feedback system, which work together to move the motor to a specific angle.
Depending on the signal, it rotates to a particular angle, like 0, 90, or 80 degrees. In our activities, we experimented with rotating the servo to 0, 90, and 80 degrees, controlling it using a potentiometer, using a button to change its position, and linking it with green, yellow, and red LEDs to show the servo's movement visually.
Paunil is helpful for projects like robot arms, automatic gates, traffic lights, and sorting machines, basically any project that needs precise movement.
We also face some challenges. Sometimes the servo didn't move to the correct angle, or sometimes its movement was delayed. We solved this by checking the wiring, adjusting the code, and testing step by step. Moving on the LCD I2C module.
The purpose of this component is to display information from the Arduino in a clear and readable way. It helps you see what your system is doing.
The LCD I2C works by connecting to the Arduino using wires. The Arduino sends information to the display through code, and the LCD shows it on the screen.
In our activities, we use the LCD to display text, scroll messages across the screen, response to a button press, show light intensity using a photoresistor.
The LCD I2C is useful for projects like robotic displays, smart home systems, sensor monitoring, or interactive games.
We also faced with some difficulties. Sometimes the text didn't scroll properly or the display was not visible. We fixed this by checking the writing, using the correct code, and adjusting the contrast for proper output.
Last, we use the ultrasonic sensor. Its main purpose is to measure the distance of objects. It acts like the eyes of our system, helping the Arduino know where the things are in front of it.
In the activities we performed, we used the ultrasonic sensor to measure and display distances, detect obstacles which would turn on an LED, create a parking assistant system.
This sensor is useful for projects like automatic doors, robot obstacles, trash bins.
We faced some problems with the ultrasonic sensor. Sometimes the LEDs connected to it didn't light up, and sometimes the sensor gave wrong readings or didn't work. So now we will proceed on how we applied system thinking by integrating different components into one working system. In our task, we created a tilt alarm system. When the breadboard is tilted, the tilt switch is activated. This sends a signal to the Arduino, which then turns on the blue LED, activates the buzzer, and displays alarm on the LCD I2C screen. When the system is not tilted, the LED and buzzer are off, and the LCD displays safe. This shows how one input can control multiple outputs at the same time. To sum up our debugging experiences, let me tell you.
During our project, we ran into few problems. The servo motor sometimes didn't move correctly or was slow. The LCD display didn't scroll properly or didn't show anything. And the ultrasonic sensor sometimes gave wrong readings.
We fix this by checking the wiring, reviewing, and adjusting the code and testing step by step.
So in this robotics journey, even though we were beginners, we learned so much from this subject and we were really amazed at how the components actually work. So project na ito, nabigyan kami ng oportunidad na subukan at buuin ang aming sariling project at sa bawat pagkakamali o problema, natututo kami ng bagong halaman.
Robotics taught us creativity, problem solving, and how to use technology in real life. Even with simple components, we were able to create systems that actually took something useful to grow.
So, our advice to you, don't be afraid to try, make mistakes, or ask for help. Every experiment is a step forward, and seeing your project work is really exciting.
So future students, we hope our reflection showed how the LCD I2C, Servo Motor, and Ultrasonic Sensor work and how these components work together to create a system.
Don't be afraid of mistakes or challenges. They are part of learning. Robotics is fun and exciting, especially when you see your project is really working.
Thank you for watching!
And we hope we inspire